Lucita walks 4.5 miles in 1.5 hours. What is her rate in miles per hour? If we're asked to find the rate in miles per hour, we put the number of miles she's walked, which is 4.5 miles, over the number of hours that she walked, which is 1.5 hours. And we simplify. Let's write 4.5 in as a fraction. That's 9 halves. And 1.5 is 3 halves. And we have miles per hour. Now, in order to finish calculating this, remember that the fraction bar is actually a division symbol. So this means 9 halves divided by 3 halves, which means 9 halves times the reciprocal of 3 halves, which is 2/3. And that's miles per hour. So multiplying, we have 9 times 2 over 2 times 3, and again our units is miles per hour. And to simplify, we're going to factor the 9. That's 3 times 3 for the 9 times 2 over 2 times 3 miles per hour. And then we have a factor equal to 1. We have 3 times 2 in the numerator and 3 times 2 in the denominator. And then we're left with 3 in the numerator and then a factor of 1 that we can write in the denominator, miles per hour. Now 3 times 2 over 3 times 2 is 1. 1 times 3 over 1 is simply 3. So we have 3 miles per hour, which is a fine answer to give, but typically miles per hour is written mph. So that would be 3 miles per hour. Looking at our answers, we see that answer C matches the answer that we got, so we say that C is the correct answer.